Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. My subject today created its own unique challenges. Now, my subject is a martini glass with olives, which we can see on this set. My goal was not to create that perfect looking martini glass with these really nice defined lines, but rather tell a story, have a narrative, and create a mood. So let's see how I've done that. Now, the background's being lit by a strobe, and it has a 10-degree grid on it, really narrowing down the beams, and a color temperature blue, a CT blue gel, to create that mood or ambiance. Now, my key subject, the glass and the olives, well, I have another strobe up here, this time a 5-degree grid, and the light's passing through a 10-inch scrim, softening the light. But you'll notice the light's only in this one corner, but I still have a large scrim because the top of the glass that's on set, I still want this nice white lip on it. But what's fun is, if I move this around, I'll just loosen it up, we can see how this spot ends up in a different area. And if I look in camera, we can really see how that changes. And that's definitely fun. So let's see if we can get this back in place, slide it over, and capture an image and see what we get.